Today I'm going to show you how to stop Facebook from announcing your birthday. Let's get started. First, let's open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in. Now to adjust your birthday settings, tap on your profile settings, or you may simply go to your profile. Once there, you can tap on About section or Edit Public Details. Now look for the birthday settings, as you can see there. Now click on Edit. Here you can, as you can see, your friends of friends can view your birth date. Simply choose on Only Me. Choose on Only Me. This will not allow Facebook to announce your birthday to anybody. And don't forget to save it. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Facebook from announcing your birthday, as you don't want to public your birthday. This is how you can simply stop Facebook from announcing your birthday.